Welcome, and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ananya Bhatia with your hedge fund headlines. Today's Wednesday, June 11th, 2009. Private equity firm Golden Gate Capital will buy nearly all of the J. Jill brand, a unit of Talbots. According to the Wall Street Journal, the women's apparel retailer is selling the brand for $75 million, just 3 years after buying it for $517 million. The sale of the J. Jill brand is part of Talbot's efforts to concentrate on executing the turnaround of its core business and its newly launched upscale outlet. Under the sale, expected to close within 2 months, J. Jill will continue to be managed by current president Paula Bennett. Private equity firm Warburg Pincus has pulled out of its investment from China Huiyuan Juice. According to the Financial Times, the U.S. firm refused to exchange its convertible bonds for a 7% equity stake in the Chinese juice maker. Warburg's decision comes due to the failure of Coke's $2.4 billion takeover offer for Huiyuan. Warburg Pincus withdrew its Huiyuan Investment through Royal Bank of Scotland, to whom it loaned its convertible bonds in 2007. And in more hedge fund news, alternative asset manager Investcorp is investing in a series of individual loans and senior debt backed by U.S. commercial property. According to Financial Times, 2 of the asset manager's credit funds paid 75 to 80 cents on the dollar for the loans worth about $171 million. Investcorp secured a senior mortgage loan, a B note for a senior mortgage, and 2 mezzanine loans, all backed by commercial property in the U.S. The London and Bahrain listed firm was the former owner of Tiffany and Gucci. Private equity firm TPG is likely to sell part of its $1.5 billion majority stake in China's Shenzhen Development Bank. According to the Wall Street Journal, China's Ping An Insurance is seeking to buy the TPG stake. TPG, which is the only foreign investor to own control of a Chinese bank, is selling 17% controlling stake in Shenzhen Development. The deal will help Ping An boost its banking and asset management businesses. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us at EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.